can share with you whatever are the few job options. When I say options, I'm not talking about jobs that come out in newspapers, or I'm not talking about specific jobs. I'm talking about opportunities from where people can build us back. When I was in your position, what you are today, when I was graduating out of college, whatever little education, I was not a good student, so whatever little education I did.
এরা কিন্তু খুব ভালো, আমার মতন ফাঁকিবাজ স্টুডেন্ট none of them are.
So they are good, you are fakibaj, and I'm a useless one. So that's that's three categories. So any different from any one of you. I come from a typical Kolkata background, 100% Bongo Santan, typically staying and growing and studying in Kolkata. My entire education has been Kolkata. So colleges like you in Kolkata, school in Kolkata, and so on. I'm not saying money is the only reason for your career. Money is one of the reasons. Important reason, but not the only reason. But in reality, we suffer from this problem. It was much more 20 years back. Today, thankfully, the scenario is changing with times because India has become different. It's a global market outside, etc. You are familiar with your understanding of the world. Whatever you are comfortable, whatever you understand, কি বোঝা যায় বিশ্বায়ন বলতে কি বোঝো তুমি? আমি তুমি বলতে পারি তো? Everybody logs on to internet. কার আছে জিজ্ঞেস করবো না, that's a stupid question. How many of you don't have a Facebook account? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 জন. Others have it? Okay. How many of you don't log on to internet at all? কখনো ইন্টারনেটে ঢুকিনি? Anybody? Internet use করা হয়. Okay, fine. Others have? Good. Now, it's not good or bad. I'm just saying, if you have, then there is a certain kind of experience. If you haven't, then there is a certain kind of experience. I'll come to the scenario where you haven't. Don't worry. Since email, are you familiar with email? What is email? Kori na kori should have read about it, but you all are familiar with what is email. 20 years back, I did not hear this word email. You're all familiar with this product. 20 years back didn't exist. You all know what this is. Life 20 years back it didn't exist. Now I'll tell you why I'm talking about these things, the reason, because it's connected to what our topic today is. And hence I'm talking about. So 20 years back this product did not exist. Cell phone didn't exist. Just did not exist. There's no net connection. I have some thinking on that. Just the AV. I showed it in your it's not that. Cell phone industry, which did not exist 20 years back. আমার আগের জেনারেশন যারা ইন্ডিয়াতে বড় হয়েছে, 70 দশকে যারা বড় হয়েছে, 60-70 দশক, 60s and 70s who grew up, started their career, let's say in the 70s, 30 years back, 40 years back. I at least in 93, 4, roughly 95 when I started, the cell phone was yet not there. Just about 1 or 2 companies started in India for the first time. One in Delhi, one in Kolkata. Familiar with it because our Indian social system, our Indian family background, the kind of background we come from, make us realize, understand this kind of educational institutions you pass out from or are studying in, push you in that direction because the Indian education system is designed for that. For example, how many of you are doing your graduation, whatever stream, doesn't matter, everyone. Right? All in your graduation courses, first year, second year, third year, whatever, everyone. Right? Anyone can talk. What is the next, irrespective of which subject you are doing, pass course, honors course, whatever. Very conventionally speaking, what are the options in your mind you think you can do? In the conventional domain only, is that the only option or is there something else? Which many people try. At the end of your graduation process, is post-graduation the only route? And whether we liked it or not, we had to. And at a typical background that we grew up in, typical Kolkata kind of a scenario in India 20 years back, especially if you are a guy, especially if you are a boy, not a lady. No No gender discrimination here, don't get me wrong. Then the expectation was that if you are doing your class 11 and 12, after that to joint entrance is a must. After that, doctor engineering যদি না হলো তো career বড়টা বেরিয়ে যাবে। সর্বনাশ। মানে এর আর কিছু hardly any. That's a fact. Because you switch on your TV and you switch on your YouTube or your net and you can watch the best of the games happening globally. So people's expectation level has now been met by that quality of football. So nobody is bothered about this quality. Yesterday, this graduates, when he passes out by the 4th year of an HM, he's already outdated compared to the first year guy who was coming then at first year. He's completely outdated because what he studies is gone. History. He will not get a job because of those 4 years of knowledge, because that knowledge itself is not used by anybody anymore. You understand what I'm trying to say? That's the pace of change. That is reality. So what curriculum, what course are we talking about? Technology has actually become so fast. It's unimaginable. Unimaginable. So how relevant are we is very important. Graduating out of anything and starting your career is not the end of the problem. It's the start of the problem. Reason being that you have to keep yourself updated continuously. You understand what I'm saying? Because otherwise you are outdated, you're out. You might be a Sachin Tendulkar, situation aano. Aajke na hole kalke, if you are not competent to manage, example kochi na, then somebody else will overtake. That's the only truth. এখানে কোনো ভালো কথা বলে লাভ নেই. That is the absolute truth. The sooner we are aware of it, and it's nothing to be worried about. Nothing to be worried about. Only thing is, it's something that I need to know first. If I know, then I'm ready for it. That's the point. So the world outside is changing very fast. So career, you have to see ওই landscape-এর মধ্যে. Landscape itself is কে মানে কারা কে বা কারা কার্পেন্টার হেড টু অর্ডার আমি বাড়িতে একটা চেয়ার টেবিল দরকার হলে কি করি আমরা তাকে পাড়ায় যিনি আছে চেনা জানার মধ্যে that's what we do. We call a carpenter, we measures ওই and then he does whatever furniture any kind of physical furniture, for that matter any kind of 3D object তৈরি করা হয়। Table chair is an example. Very soon it's already there. Go back and check that there's something called 3D printing which is already there. Are you familiar with 3D printing? If not, আমি example বলছি, this is history. 10 দিন ধরে টেবিল তৈরি হচ্ছে, হবে না। প্রিন্টার দেখেছি তো আমরা সবাই, নরমাল প্রিন্টার, কমান্ড প্রিন্ট দিলাম, কাগজে কি বেরোলো, I get a printout, which is a 2-dimensional printout of whatever is there on your computer screen. I can take a printout. You're all very comfortable. So 1 hour time you get a table. Maybe not even 1 hour. Table, chair, furniture, urban, doesn't matter what it is. 3D printing we have on liver transplant. I need a liver. I 3D print a liver. 3D printing is printing human organs, and liver transplant is done. It's happening today, already done. It's not science fiction, not future. It's today. What happens to a doctor যে খুব ভালো liver transplant surgery করতে? Does his skill of surgery anymore is relevant? No. আজকে আগেকার দিনে গল ব্লাডার সার্জারি 20 years back was এখান থেকে এতখানি 12 ইঞ্চি কাটতে হতো, that and some surgeons were brilliant in that. Today we do what is called absolutely যাবে না ধরে বলছেন আমি 3 দিন হসপিটাল থেকে বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছি মাইক্রো সার্জারি করে, কে যাবে ওখানে 1 মাস শুয়ে থাকবে? হ্যাঁ প্রশ্নই ওঠে। Irrespective of how good the doctor is. Sorry.
What is replacing laptop?
What is replacing laptop? What is replacing laptop is it's not replacing a laptop. It is replacing, since you're asking, I'm answering. It's replacing this very concept of typing on a hardware platform and seeing it. So what will happen is, are you familiar with Google Glass? Something called Google Glass. It's a different technology that is yet to come, but it is very much being pilot tested already by Google. Google Glass is it's like a sunglass. It's like a sunglass. It's a normal, looks like a normal glass, choshma, but it's a high-tech choshma. Today it could be a little expensive, but obviously with time it will become cheaper as they productize it and mass manufacture it once the technology is firmed up. And in that you don't need this. It does everything. You don't need this, you don't need a camera, you don't need this. It's fixed here like a normal, you wear it like a normal spec. And it can, for example, you are sitting here, right? If you are wearing a Google Glass, you need not come here. It's a physical interaction. I'm not saying it is always good or bad. There's a bad side to stopping people from talking to each other. The social fabric will change, but that's a different point. You don't have to, 500 people can sit in 500 points and you can have a real life experience as good as this of actual physical interaction. সামনাসামনি বসে interact করলে যে experience-টা হয় সবাই আমাদের হচ্ছে, the same experience will be given by Google Glass no matter where you are. It's like calling one phone number to another phone number. To connect using Google Glass from both sides, you are like sitting face to face. It could be, one could be চাঁদে বসে আছে, one could be ইন্ডিয়াতে বসে আছে. So, and that does, so for example, I'm sitting on the, wearing the Google Glass. It will 3D capture real life, সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে দেখলে যা হবে, conceptually I know difficult to understand, and transmit that experience. I mean, photograph বলবো না, transmit that experience to the other person there, and he will see it as if he's standing there, right there in front of my own. So anyway, but that's a specific example, and that's not the fundamental point. The point is, the world is changing, changing so goddamn fast, and you never know. Before you blink an eye, Google Glass can be outdated. Something else will come. That's the point I'm making. Google Glass today looks fantastic. 3D printing looks absurd. Science fiction. It's already happening. You never know what will happen tomorrow. Therefore, the whole last 15-20 minutes, whatever we are discussing, is to help you understand that the world outside is changing, and changing so damn fast. Directional careers. We are all graduates or would be graduates sitting here in your BA, BSc, whatever. That's what we are doing, right? All of you, anybody doing anything other than that here? This is what you do. So somebody said, what are the careers that are available if you continue in this according to you? What are the careers? In the normal course of things, if you do your graduation, maybe your postgraduate, what are the careers that you can think of? Hobe na, happen, will not happen, whether I will get it the job, I will not get the job, forget about that. Options. Teacher, teaching in where? School. Teaching in school, colleges, maybe universities, why not? Awesome. 3, anything else? Teaching. So teaching is one career. And teaching in schools, college, university. What else? Any other than these 3 teaching? Any other teaching? Sorry? No, I'm saying in teaching itself. It is school, college, university. Anywhere else where teachers can be used today? This is an example of, so pick up the teacher career. Must you only look at universities, colleges and schools? Of course you should. That we all understand. Continue to look for it, try for it. I'm not talking about it because you know what to do it. So if you want to talk about it, we can. But otherwise you are familiar with it. So I assume you know what to do, etc. You go through SLED, NET, if you are in West Bengal and so on and so forth. So let's not talk about that, or maybe we can if you want to. But is that the only one? Again, 20 years back, somebody in your position, somebody in my generation, man or woman, would say yes, that's the only route away. No, before that, teaching internet money, just tell me what you meant by internet. Let me tell you, have you what's the name of the site? academicearth.org. How many of you are familiar with any idea in India today, one of the very high earning potential, high when I mean relatively good. Again, money is not the only factor, but that's not the only reason for I'm saying this. But my larger point is that do you know how many of us, many in fact, today sit in Kolkata, India. In that time, therefore, this whole business or this whole model of job outsourcing or business process outsourcing, BPO started becoming very big in India as an industry, and therefore started creating hundreds and thousands of jobs. Now, what does this BPO do? In the for example, and this is another implication or result of globalization. A typical example, say in US or Europe, manpower cost is expensive. But আমি যদি কাউকে চাকরি দিতে চাই, the cost of that manpower is high. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
The money that I have to pay him or the overall expenses that I. So for a business, for an industry, for a company, it is important to keep my cost, not only manpower cost, total business cost. It could be anything that I do. Overall spend, the less I can keep it, the better it is for the business, because it will give me more opportunity to do good in business. Because if I do 100 rupees of revenue and I keep my cost at 30 rupees, then I have 70 rupees of not profit, because 70 rupees is called my operating margin, which I can then use, reinvest, make the business bigger and so on and so forth, which is again beneficial for the employees, because their careers will grow, etc., etc., because the business is becoming bigger, so on. But if instead of 30 rupees that cost is 50 rupees, I have 20 rupees less to play with, right? Assuming my revenue remains constant at 100. Now, so more of globalization meant 20 years back, or almost 15, 16 years back, the US companies, and for example, starting with US and then many other countries, they said, because of technology, why do I, and service industry শব্দটা জানা আছে? Service industry means those who don't sell physical products, but they sell service. For example, bank. For example, telecom, cell phone. Not the phone, the connection. The Airtel and the Vodas and the Ideas and the Reliances of the world, who sell connection. Do they sell me anything physical product? No. Does bank sell me a physical product? Any bank? No. These are service industry. They give me a service. So for me, connection network is a service. I need it 24/7. Network না পেলে মাথা গরম হয়ে যায়। কোথাও গেলে যদি ফোন না কাজ করে, I feel uncomfortable. Our habits have shifted so much. 20 years back, it was not even there. But today, life without this is unthinkable. Right? In fact, but the point I'm making is that if in a call center scenario, what happens is this kind of industry, banking, telecom, and there are so many others who are into service industry, it is important for them to continuously let the customer, that is you and I, jara for example cell phone use kori, tara amar cell phone company customer, we are customers for the cell phone, to keep us happy and satisfied, so that I don't as a customer shift from company A to company B. Vodafone nebo na, kal theke Airtel nebo, means Vodafone's revenue, that 100 rupees is 100 rupees minus something. They can't afford that, because overnight they can't make that cost come down from 30 to 29. I can't do that. So it's important for me as an organization to ensure that shop customers continue to stay with me. It is very important. How do I do that? So they need and customers are spread across the country, across the world. Okay, individually সবাইকে চেনে এরকম সম্ভব না, or Airtel কি সবাইকে চেনে সম্ভব না. It's not practically possible. So they need a mechanism, একটা process দরকার হয়, of call center where there are hundreds of people whose job is to, through a telephone, technologies are a little more complicated, but anyway, through a telephone connection, allow this link to remain 24/7 open between the company and the customer. The same logic applies for a company sitting in US, or a company sitting anywhere in the world. So what they said is 15-16 years back, that if I have to employ 500 people for my call center, say an American company, an American telephone company, let's say telecom company, and they said I have my customers, now I need to stay connected with my customers. Now how do I do that? I have a call center where I employ 500 people, and their job is in shifts to continuously connect with the customers and take calls and answer calls, so on. Now, what are the choices they have? They can have their own call center, but there is a cost to it in terms of people who are hired. The other option is, because technology is now boundary independent, country boundary doesn't matter. So their organization might be in the US, but their call center is based in India, where it employs you and me. And you are serving, actually calls are coming to you from customers sitting in the US, they are American people, or maybe whatever they are, American citizens basically, or whichever country. And you are responding to those calls and answering their queries, not even knowing America. In fact, there are taxi cab services in America which employ call centers out of India. You understand what I'm saying? And this person sitting in India is talking about ওই রাস্তায় গেলে এই হবে without ever being landing in US. Forget about knowing the roads. তো দূরের কথা. So that's how good the training is. Right? And you're online, you can see the city, you can see the roads, you can guide. On your screen, you can see everything. So that's technology. Why are they doing it? Is because they find that manpower cost, etc., is cheaper in, say for example, India. That's not the only point. এখান থেকেও cheaper আরো জায়গায় আছে. Big advantage is that India speaks English. That gives, for example, China is cheaper than us manpower wise. Why is the business not going to China? Logically should. It's because Chinese people are not so comfortable with English. And they speak English. So, and China, by the way, is investing heavily into learning English. By the way, that's heavily last 15 years. They are coming up very fast. But anyway, so the point I'm making is this call center jobs were therefore not there 15 years back. Last 15 years, it's a huge job market for all of us. All of us, I would say. The reason I was giving so much of background is because let's come back to that teaching thing we were discussing. And we said that online teaching, exactly the same thing. Students log in on a predefined site. Is this slide right? So that's just an example. It's one of the slides we have. We could have gone from slide 1 onward. This is one of the middle slides. We'll have a look. I think it's not focused. Of teaching in a one-to-one, ACE model is teaching, and online teaching is skill এর তফাৎ আছে। আমি যদি এইভাবে কাউকে শেখাতে চাই ফিজিক্যাল টিচিং যেটা, এটা I need certain kind of skills. অনলাইন যেই চলে যাব তখন I need a different set of skills. That different includes the technical skills, মানে comfort with the laptop, PC, etc. That is one part. And talking to the person, teaching the people online rather than offline. এটাকে বলে offline teaching. What we are doing now, যেটা আমরা রোজ ইউনিভার্সিটিতে ক্লাসে কলেজে করি, that's offline. Online is when, for example, a job outsourcing call center করছিল. For example, in the US and there are other countries, Indians are considered to be great teachers, which is true actually. Because Indians by in general, এটা politically incorrect statement হয়ে যাবে, but it's a fact. I'm sure there are no American citizens sitting here, so let me say this. My personal view and personal experience has been that Americans, 50-60% of them are complete idiots. So they have their great strengths, let me tell you. Good thing, they are extremely honest, extremely hardworking, extremely. India ने बोल रहा हूँ मैं बोलबे এক, ভাববে এক, করবে আর এক। তারপরে ভাবো সেটাকে কি করে আমরা ক্যাচ করবো, ওইসব ওদের মধ্যে ওরা বুঝতেই পারে, they don't understand, they're very straight, they're very honest, they're very upfront, they're very hardworking, very upfront, transparent. What they say is what they mean. আমাদের ওইসব ক্যাচ ওরা বোঝে না, ফলে সে লুজ আউট করে।
Same. Very straightforward. What they say, they're going to do that. They don't like us. Think of 100 things in a simultaneous street.
But which is actually good, because the point I was making is that 20% of Americans are extremely intelligent. I'm not saying everybody is a fool, but not that. But for them, the quality of brain is not necessarily like what Indians are, and that is there is a genetic reason for it. But leave that aside. Therefore, the teaching benefits of getting taught by good teacher is now boundary independent. এটাই বাংলা বটম লাইন চেয়ে বাংলা কথা যাবে। কোন কান্ট্রি কে কোথায় বসে আছে is immaterial. I can get taught by a good teacher no matter where the teacher is. এখন রিমোট অপারেশন হচ্ছে ওপেন হার্ট সার্জারি, ডাক্তার বসে আছে নিউ ইয়র্কে, পেশেন্ট ইজ ইন কলকাতা, ওপেন হার্ট সার্জারি হচ্ছে, অলরেডি বিং ডান through the system, through technology. It's open heart bypass surgery happening. Doctor is in New York, patient is in Kolkata. He's performing the surgery sitting in New York. It sounds absurd, but it's true. But কেন আমি কথাগুলো বলছি, বিকজ এই যে মাঝখানের যে টেকনোলজি প্ল্যাটফর্ম এত ফাস্ট চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, দিস ইটসেলফ ইজ ক্রিয়েটিং মেনি জব অপরচুনিটিস in technology. So when I'm in a graduation course, I don't need to only think of conventional careers. সেগুলো ভালো, অবশ্যই করা উচিত, but that is not the only option available. 20 years back, unfortunately, that was the truth. আজকে সেটা নয়। So I have to be aware of the options in between other than conventional options. So Jamal, this is just one example, right? Now let me help you understand this a little better. There are hundreds of people who already earn a massive amount of money. Again, I'm saying money is not important, money is not the only issue, but who earn a lot of money by teaching people online. And there are a lot of এই টিচিংটা কিন্তু কোনো হাইটেক টিচিং নয়, ইভেন প্রাইভেট টিউশন। প্রাইভেট টিউশন আপনার কলকাতায় খুব ভালো বুঝে বাংলায়, it's an industry itself, right? You understand this damn well, what is private tuition. So it is country independent because of technology. So any one of us sitting here who loves to be a teacher can of course try in schools and do your post-graduation and continue to do that. But while you are doing that, even during your post-graduation or graduation, why not try this? Learn some good money on the sidelines. So get experience more than engineers. Teach school students. Teach them online. Private tuition them online. There are fixed number of hours available online courses you can do. I'm just helping you understand. I'm not saying etai korte hobe. But those experiences will be invaluable. All you have to do is go on the net and do a bit of research. It's not complicated. It will tell you, it will give you 500 options. One Google search, it will tell you 500 options. Choice is yours, which one you would like to take. And you are sitting here at your home and you are doing it. You are not going anywhere, you are not... tell you why. It will always be something, especially if it is overseas that you are doing. If you are, by the way, it doesn't mean that just because I enter and they say, there has to be some kind of a preliminary qualification is a wrong word, but preliminary filtering that will happen. That you must be something at least capable of doing some kind of teaching. You can't be a complete no. You have to be basics at least on time. You're good on screens. You're good on systems. এই basic skills গুলো দরকার, but that is nothing high tech. You're asking me salary. I don't know exactly what the salary would be, but I don't think that should be the important point. At least not at this stage of your life. That's my sincere suggestion. Money is important, but make it for now. If you are doing anything, make it more because of the experience rather than for the money. But also let me tell you, online courses etc. are standardized, which means that depending on your capabilities, whichever audience you are there, decided that this person is capable of teaching class 7, 8 and 9 in a US school, let's say. But that doesn't mean that US school you have to understand what US curriculum is. That's very different from our ICSE and Madhyamik curriculum. Very, very different. In fact, completely different. I'm giving an example. So you must have some study that you need to be. I'm not saying you go and become an American student here, no. I'm saying you have to be familiar with the curriculum. Say in class 5, 6, 7, what kind of curriculum they follow, what kind of teaching process they follow. They don't follow another teaching process. I'm not saying which is good or which is bad. Don't follow. আমাদের এখানে অনেক বেশি ইন্ডিয়ান এডুকেশন সিস্টেম ইজ লেকচার ডিপেন্ডেন্ট। লেকচার ডিপেন্ডেন্ট একজন দ্যাটস এক্স্যাক্টলি হোয়াট দ্য অপোজিট। Nobody comes and lectures করে না বললে ভুল হবে, but it is much more practical oriented. যেটা হওয়া উচিত, personally if you ask me, yes, definitely হওয়া উচিত. So it is much more practice oriented. Much the component of teacher talking and student doing, এখানে যেমন 95-5, teacher talking 95, student not listening 100 and doing 5, ওখানে would be about 60-40, which is student doing 60, teacher talking 40, maybe even 70-30, which means there will be much more practical oriented, assignment driven. কেউ এসে বোঝাবে না যে what is the, for example, light travels in straight line, এটা কোনো টিচার এসে বোর্ডে এঁকে বোঝাবে না। You will be given assignments and you will be tasked to light কি তাই জানি না, but you will be asked to come back and say তুমি assignment থেকে কি শিখলে। Light straight, cerebral light travels in a Tera line, that's okay. That's okay. No, that's okay. The attempt is to make you learn yourself rather than somebody pushing it down your throat. Even if you conclude the wrong thing, that's okay, no problem. Then somebody will help you, but make that effort. And dirty your hands, I think it's the kotha ache. Dirty your hands means নিজে হাতে কলমে শেখো, তাতে শেখাটা অনেক ভালো হয়, মনে থেকে যায়, মুখস্থ করার দরকার নেই। There's not a, unfortunately in Indian education system, when I sit for interview, this is a very personal opinion, I'm not saying I'm right, but I personally don't give too much of a value to marks of Indian universities, at least not Calcutta universities. I'm myself a student of Calcutta University, I'm saying this because this score does not indicate merit according to me. কে কত ভালো মুখস্থ করতে পারে that what it indicates, but anyway that's a different discussion. কোনো কিছু high tech নয়, you have to go and just search in the net, you need 2 hours, that's it what you need. একটু হাজার অপশন আসবে, you have to navigate to find out যে কোনটা আমার পক্ষে সবথেকে suitable. It can be online teaching in India also, why not? Let me take you back to a
experience, the photographs also.
yeah, but it is not Facebook.
No.
That is not Facebook. Vlogging is something that you can do for yourself. Vlog means on simple English, it's like online diary. It's my diary. Published my autobiography, which I write every day, published online. Let's put it that way. You don't need a publisher. Tomorrow, College Street and publishing houses will be dead. Unfortunately. Books will no more exist. Unfortunately. Personally, I would hate it. Because I'm from a generation I love reading. For me, I'm not comfortable. I'm not comfortable sitting on doing a Kindle. But it's my personal problem. Nobody will wait for me. আমি কবে Kindle shift করব? Technology doesn't wait. আমরা কি এখন পুঁথি থেকে কিছু পড়ি? ম্যানুস্ক্রিপ্ট থেকে? কোথায় গিয়ে পুঁথি আমরা? Museum. Exactly what will happen. It's already there. I mean, Bill বললে মিথ্যা কথা বলা হবে. It's already happening. Because everything is shifting. Today's generation, when I say today's generation, not you. Today's generation who are say today below 15 years. None of you are below 15 years, I'm assuming. So below 15 years, those who are today, go back and check them in your family. Say 10 to 15 age group. For my family, I'm sure there are kids of that age. See their familiarity and comfort with technology compared to you. Forget about my generation. They are much more comfortable, normally okay with technology. With them, see the way they navigate, screens and all that. Do it 10 times faster than you, 50 times faster than me. But that's generation gap. I would do it 10 times faster than 2 generations prior to me. You give it the same phone to you give the same cell phone to a grandson or granddaughter of 50 and to his or same family, to his or her grandfather or grandmother who's 70, and see the reaction difference to the. It's not that the grandmother is not intelligent. They are extremely intelligent, maybe they had a great career behind them, but see the reaction. See the way they will navigate. They can't compare. The reason I'm trying to tell you is that today I see it in that generation also. When I was a kid, that was 100 years back. So 15 minus the kind of off time we have to a dying school education project. Going out and playing out in the field was like, today's kid is busy on the phone. And they will, because life has changed, unfortunate or fortunate, I don't know. Technology has changed. The life, social fabric is changing. So therefore, when we talk blogger, these are careers we didn't have 20 years back, it's there for you. And you don't have to be 24/7 doing this, that's the best part. You don't have to stop your studies, even if you're studying. These are parallel tracks. So it doesn't matter how much you earn, you will earn decently. Figures are indicative, like by the way. This is a full-time, so figures are indicative. Don't go by exactly, this depends on particularly which blog. But are you familiar? Question is, are you wanting to do it? Would you love doing it? Those are the important questions. How many of you are, okay, how many of you enjoy creative work? ক্রিয়েটিভ কাজ করতে ভালো লাগে। আমি অ্যাজুমিং মেনি, আই লাভ, সময় পাই না সেটা অন্য কথা। That's an excuse actually. But anyway, how many of you love doing, sorry, one more show of hands, how many of you love any kind of creative, could be singing, music, films, dancing, art, doesn't matter. Any? Okay. Hand on heart, পারবো কি করে করতে হয় জানি না, হবে কিনা জানি না, it's an unknown world, forget that. Hand on heart, how many of you would love to be a filmmaker, not an actor, actress, a filmmaker? Anyone? হবে কি হবে না ভুলে যাবো, would love, wish I was like a, sorry, say a Srijit Mukherjee, making an autograph, or something like that. Sorry? I'm giving that as an example, whatever, I mean, an example, which are a dancer like somebody who's famous, or a singer who's very famous. I mean, gaan pari ki nach pari, don't see it from that perspective. I'm saying, would you love doing it full time? Would you enjoy doing it? Successful, don't get into that. If you do, if you are very, these are just examples. If you want to do anything like that, again, 15 years back, options didn't exist. Today, there are hundreds. And you don't have to, for example, personally, I am very lucky to be, that's also something I enjoy. So, and I'm lucky, I've been extremely lucky to be very close because I enjoy that field also. I love doing that whenever I can. I enjoy this whole activity called filmmaking, the technology, the creative part. It's very exciting for me, starting from when the script is written to the final editing is done, or the final product. And personally, I've been very lucky to be associated, very family-wise, close to a very famous filmmaker family of Kolkata, very famous global. And I've seen him and now his next generation doing films. I've got associated with. I try and help him when I can. Purely out, not because I have money, not a single penny. I do it simply because I love doing it. Helping with editing when the final film is being released. The pre-release, the editing part. I sit with him and try and help him. Whatever. I do it because I love doing it. But at times I wonder, 20 years back, if I wanted to do this in a full time, I wish I could. And there was nobody to help or guide at that point in time. But today when I look back and I say, wow, if I could do this full time, it's something I love doing or I enjoy doing. That's what I'm trying to say. The essential point I'm making is that today, if any one of you want to learn anything that you might wish to pursue later in your career, anything that you love, whatever that be, today there are so many online skill building, learning options available that was not there yesterday. Make use of them. What is it that you love is, no, don't listen to anyone. I'm telling you seriously, listen to your heart. Who's your favorite author or authoress? Anyone, Indian, outside, doesn't matter.
Durja Datta. Durja Datta.
Do you know about him? This is interesting, somebody from this generation would give a name which in my generation we wouldn't have. I would have said if it's a very popular writer, I still love reading even a Frederick Forsyth or Alistair MacLean or certainly an Agatha Christie. But I would probably not say, if I was asked this question even today, I would certainly not say this name, right?
Because
that's okay, nothing wrong in that. What I'm trying to tell you is that this is what, for example, many in love Chetan Bhagat, many do, Jara Forest. I don't, but that's a personal view. I personally know Chetan little, but I don't like his writing so much. I think it's very superficial, but that's my view. It doesn't matter. He still is one of the top bestsellers. So it doesn't matter. The point I'm making is that you can be one if you love writing. You don't have to tomorrow wait for publisher to publish your book. You can blog it and you can viral it. Today, do you watch Times Now TV? News, Arnab Goswami.
yes.
Who shouts very well.
Yes.
Chenachi, you know the person.
Yes.
Because he has his unique style, let's put it that way. Unique style of news anchoring, where the joke is that he will have 10 people sitting on the panel and for 45 minutes he's the only one who's talking and the 10 people are staring at him. Staring at the camera. But because he's such a personality, a lot of jokes, a lot of online things go around with him. There's a full-time spoof that has become an industry now, you know, and you spoof on something. Spoof mane, you do a dummy of that show. Somebody becomes an Arnab Goswami and then somebody becomes panel and then you create a charade around it and then you put it on the YouTube and there are millions who see it. And there are famous people who have become famous today in India just by doing this. They are famous. You just upload, it's free. Yes, Cyrus is good, but I'm not, no, this is not Cyrus. Cyrus
This is not Cyrus.
This is not Cyrus. Cyrus doesn't do that. But Cyrus does it on CNN.
CNN.
You heard of Cyrus Boluchan?
Yes.
Anyway, I have a suggestion, while not directly connected, it was important. Start watching as much, and this is free, as much of other than those who are Bengali. I'm not saying this is right or wrong, don't misunderstand me. Start watching শুধু ওই সিরিয়াল বাংলা হিন্দি এই what we call the GC channels in our media language called general entertainment channels. Watch more newsworthy channels, which is news, which is financial news, which is global channels like BBC or CNN, and certainly things like National Geographic and Discovery and so on and so forth, because you will learn a lot. It will help you. Also on the net, search and go to YouTube and Google, because that's free. It will be massively useful. Much of what we are discussing can be a few examples and options we can discuss in a 1.5 hour time. I will be much more happy if this discussion helps you to go and start doing the search at least on the net on yourself. That's good job. Then I would say this session is useful. Specific examples is always there, but you yourself can look at all this and much more. So let me give you another example. Are you familiar with this, by the way, what a blogger is? Blogger man, আমি যদি লিখতে ভালোবাসি, I don't have to wait for কি আমার বই ছাপবে. It's not required. You don't have to wait for anybody. That's the benefit of online, that's the benefit of technology. But I'm not saying go and write stupid things on Facebook on a given, which I find very silly, but Facebook has become very silly as a platform, but that again is my personal view. But you can actually make it well and do well, and your bloggers, you can be overnight famous. And by the way, if you online viral your stuff, you are no more restricting your viewership, or people who see you is not restricted to Kolkata or to West Bengal or to India. For that matter, it is available to people across the world. You understand the impact? It's unbelievable. So you don't have to think, "Arey bhai, আমি তো ইংরেজি ভালো জানি না, ও বাবা আমি কি লিখতে পারবো?" Not required. You have to be comfortable and confident in what you do. If your content is good, what you write, if that is good, then anybody can never know from where it will become a hit. বুঝতেই পারবে না বাবা, কি সিনেমা ডিরেক্টর মতো, when do I really make a film which will become a hit? I myself don't know if it becomes one. So this is slightly similar, but let me tell you this. Okay, before I go there, just hang on for a minute. Sorry to like this, but how many of you would love to work in a corporate world?
Website of that company.
Your website of that company is one of the most relevant places to go to. You understand what website is? Right? Who does the website for that company? Who has created? So the website, what like?
12:30. I have told you.
So let me leave you with some simple thoughts. My suggestion would be, go back and do some research. Whatever we are saying, what is this person? Ask, clarify.
Conventional है कुछ जानते चाहिए.
Actually, I'm not sure. The conventional because I'm not a big expert in that area, but I can try.
খুবই ভালো লেগেছে, আমি এর আগে কখনো করিনি, বাট আমার অ্যাকর্ডিং টু মি আমার খুব ভালো লেগেছে।
আর তোমাদের ওই তোমার
সেমিনারটা ভালোই হয়েছে, অনেক কিছু জানতে পারলাম ইন্টারনেটের ব্যাপারে।